We begin with the dramatic scenes of nature's fury unleashed by heavy rains in Hanover's capital overnight.
The rains, which have been on and off in recent days over the island, caused destruction in Lucy, toppling homes, destroying furniture, washing away vehicles and disrupting the lives of thousands of people.
Kalisha Williams has details.
It appears deceptive, stagnant, muddy water in the Lucy River. But on Thursday, it was the cause of much anguish in the town which bears its name and the nearby Lances Bay. The river in spate overflowed its banks. This church, covered in muck, was enough evidence to show the magnitude of the flood.
If I couldn't come out of my house, I have to sit on the veranda wall and watch the water coming inside, over the church, everywhere up on the street. Flood out with water. Go straight to and vibrate it. All of them flood out with water.
You can feel the house vibrate when we're inside there. Or something.
You were rescued out?
And I was rescued. The neighbor come, but then take it to the back from the seaside and come and take me out. I have to one hand on string. If we go across, and then when we come out, the water way up to my throat, cover my breast.
They say this house could easily pass for a makeshift ark. It was knocked off what the occupants thought was a firm foundation by the raging water. With 3 persons inside at the time of the tragedy, neighbors came to their rescue.
When I'm inside of my house, I look through the window, I hear creak. And when I look and see my neighbor's house, the water just go under it and just lift it up and just carry it to the back like a boat on sea. Carry it to the back and see where it stopped right there. So our bed, everything, our fridge, TV, everything mud up, mash up, destroy in there.
Residents are now cleaning up the mess. But aside from damage to buildings, furniture and appliances, the water also swept away several vehicles. One of the cars was found on Friday morning.
It's a sad thing yesterday, you know. And parked the car over there at the bar and we did go and just have a drink and my friend them and when I look at the car, I see I move daddy. And I go to boom, I have to go to boom and call my friend them get a 2 piece of card business there. And we have to go to boom and wrap it through one place and tie it. I'm tight and the only thing we could do was save the car.
I got trapped in the water and by doing so I just have to get myself out of the vehicle and in a few minutes the vehicle was pushed by the water coming down the stream until it was totally submerged. Luckily, I escaped unearthed.
The Member of Parliament for Hanover Western, Ian Hales, says it's the worst flood he's ever seen in the area. He says improper garbage disposal, poor culvert maintenance, and the fact the town is below sea level added to the woes.
Everybody that was supposed to go to the airport yesterday had to turn back. Everybody that was coming from the airport, heading to Negril to enjoy their vacation, had to turn back. Every citizen in terms of commerce in the town, it shut down every commercial activity in the town yesterday. So the town lost millions of dollars.
The people are thankful no life was lost. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.